Welcome to K's Academy. Today we will learn about first angle projection method and third angle projection method. It is the most asked question in interview that what is first angle and third angle projection. For that we will first understand what is quadrant system. It has two planes intersecting each other at 90 degrees. This is vertical plane called VP and this is horizontal plane called HP. It has four quadrants. This is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant and this is fourth quadrant. If we assume this is in a space and draw its three-dimensional view, it will look like this. For first angle projection method, object is kept in first quadrant, and for third angle projection method, object is kept in third quadrant. For first angle projection method, observer is here and object is in between plane of projection and observer. And for third angle projection method, observer is here and plane of projection is in between object and observer. In this case, plane of projection is assumed to be transparent, while for first angle method, plane of projection is not transparent. For first angle of projection, front view is drawn on vertical plane and top view is drawn on horizontal plane. And when we rotate horizontal plane clockwise, top view comes below the front view. And also for the third angle of projection method, top view is on the horizontal plane and front view is on vertical plane. But when we rotate horizontal plane clockwise, top view comes above the front view. Remember, we are rotating horizontal plane in clockwise direction only. For the left hand side view, in first angle projection method, it is drawn to the right hand side of the elevation and vice versa. For the third angle projection method, left hand side view is drawn to the left hand side of elevation and vice versa. Now, summary of first angle and third angle projection method. In first angle, object is kept in first quadrant, and in third angle, object is kept in third quadrant. In first angle projection method, object lies in between observer and plane of projection, and in third angle projection method, plane of projection lies in between observer and object. In first angle projection method, plane of projection is assumed to be non-transparent, and in third angle projection method, plane of projection is assumed to be transparent. In first angle projection method, top view is drawn below the XY line, and in third angle projection method, top view is drawn above the XY line. In first angle projection method, front view is drawn below the XY line, and in third angle of projection method, front view is drawn below the XY line. And in first angle of projection method, the view of the object as observed from the left hand side is drawn right to the elevation and vice versa. And for third angle of projection method, the view of the object as observed from the left side is drawn left to the elevation and vice versa. Are you interested to know why we don't follow second angle and fourth angle projection method? Then subscribe to our channel and see you soon.